Is that supercharged? I'm used to Pro Charge. Should have parked over here. Let y'all know that I did lose the GoPro, but that don't make no difference. You know, the grind don't stop, the work still gonna keep moving. You know what I'm saying? Life don't stop, life keep moving. That's what it is. I'm out here at the Sonic. I really haven't checked out all the cars and everything yet, but this mug kind of live. Okay, we got a whole bunch of C7 vets over here. You know what I'm saying? We got Mustangs. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get this 5.0 right here. What that look like? More nice. Stick shift at that too. I like them rims. 4G for the orgies. Grills be hard. Liking them grills. Out that high rim. Look at this big box. Sheesh. So yeah, you two, what y'all think about that, man? I don't know. I used to have a model car like this, like a 1937 Ford or something. I don't know what year. 33. 1933. What's going on? Oh, it's pretty nice. I like that blue on there. What was that? Oh, look at that Stingray. I should have put my drags on. I don't even remember this. Oh, original. What y'all think of that? Motherfucking hard. Not even sure what year. I'm saying? We're gonna zoom in. Hold up. You see that, right? 427 on the block. 427 on the block. With the headers coming out on the outside. Exhaust work don't even go to the back. They're coming out to the side of the headers. Headers will start up here, boom. They pop clean out to the side. Exhaust work, boom, right out the back of the side of it. Nice 4.0. I remember him at the Edwardsville car show, actually. If you didn't know, now you know. Follow that. All right. All right, he just pulled up. This is a real OG joint. 1969, maybe. Y'all think? This Audi. I like the wrap on it. Hard. That rap, man. Yeah, that rap. I like the rap. He got that whipple. You hear me? Scatpack. He got a whipple on it. Yeah, this mug here is pretty hard right here, y'all. I ain't gonna get no place today. No place for boy. I like that. And I still got another side to hit too. So that's pretty cool too. Got a whole nother side to hit. But that Audi was pretty dope. We're gonna check out some more. We got, look at that old vet over there. Look at this vet. That's a pretty cool vet. So we got all that side there. Still, I still gotta hit the Sonic side over there. So it's pretty much a whole bunch of stuff out here today in the way, but it's all good. Let me bring y'all with me. Somebody else pulling up. Up this way. You know what I'm saying? Put them on the channel too. Oh yeah, we definitely gotta get all Maros on the channel. You know, what y'all think of that? Now we're gonna boom down to this SS thing. You dig? Let's check them out. We don't come through the middle of them. Got a Rice. This Chevelle, baby. What y'all think? Another Camaro pulling up. Are you good? Woo! Woo! Hold on now. See that lag? Jeepers Creepers, where'd you get those eyes? Jeepers Creepers, Jeepers Creepers, where'd you get those? See the dog barking, you know what it is. Jeepers Creepers coming through this one. All types of stuff over here. Still gotta hit the side of Sonic, you know what I'm saying? Woo! Y'all hear that music over there? We gonna hit it. So matter of fact, I'm gonna go around this way. We're gonna go around back, make our way over to the back of there. That's how we gonna do that. Hey, I like shows like this. These night shows definitely be cool. That 5.0 sounds great. But I don't even know, my mouth, got some shit on it. But yeah, anyway, these night shows be way better. Check out the cars here. What's going on? We got a nice little Ranger. Boy, they used to make Rangers big back in the day. I did not know this was no Ranger. I was thinking this was an F-150. Ranger used to be huge. What's this here? Plymouth. Look at the seats though. Hard. Like that. Right. Okay. Nah. All right, so this car right here, this Torino, this the car that was, they don't want the Mustang to be, you know, this the car that was going at it with the Mustang back in the day. And they ain't want the Mustang to, they want the Mustang to be the face of the joint. So they took this one off the market. I knew it when I seen that Torino. Well, this was the Mustang competitor. You ride that? So you ride that? It's a Torino. Got the vet. How you doing? Shelby GT. I like this one too. This one here or this one? Oh yeah. Yeah, they nice with it. Okay, so we up with the Sonic now. It ain't old school like back in the day where you ain't got the, you know, skates on and stuff like that. People ain't got their skates on. They ain't really. Oh yeah, they do. Got the skates on for real. Gonna have to call the Skate King tonight. I'm not going, but maybe you can go. But we up here at Sonic. We're gonna check out the other side over here. And shoot, this probably be it. And I'm gonna just kind of chill up here for real. It's kind of cool little setting. I love chilling in the environment. We gotta get out of their way. But the environment is definitely cool. Come over here to see some more whips. And that be that. I'm over here. All original. They smell original from far away. I smell that. But I'm talking about the old seats and stuff like that. You definitely can smell it. It ain't one without that hood, you know. But I'm definitely gonna have to get me a camera sooner than later. It's all good that I'm missing the camera. Y'all remember this? You got the side skirts on and everything. Nice stick shit, that. That was the one same color as my old joint. The orange one. There's a CTSV, an older one over here. We're gonna check him out. Quick getting these footages, man. I get this footage and get the whole thing, and then I'm out. Just like that, like I did Cars and Coffee or whatever. There's another Camaro right there. I forgot to get these over here. Throw one there. I forgot, there's a few whips. That ain't too many though. That Ghostbuster mobile. Get that shake off the camera for you. There's a few of them over here too, whatever. That's that Ghostbuster mobiles. That mother right there. I remember at the Father's Day car show, it was an all white one like that. That mother got busy a couple years back. First gen vet right there. C1. You know. Super Sport. Yeah, that's right. No. I would definitely ride that. Look like a Malibu, huh? It's beautiful. Yeah, look like it. They say they're gonna subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's definitely right there. Appreciate it, man. Have a good night.
Jared. I go by Jarhead.
All right, check him out on the channel too. Yes, Instagram or whatever else they got. Y'all can shout it out.
Yeah. Nature, we make music actually. So
okay.
yeah.
Check them out.
Have a great night.
I appreciate that. Alright, YouTube, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. I'm finna turn this motherfucker off, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate you for everything y'all be doing, giving me all them likes, all them comments, all them views, all that good stuff. We be appreciating that. So, long story short, lost the GoPro out there in Arizona when I was just out of town, which is all good. Shit happens, we gonna buy us another one. So, like I said before, don't watch TV, keep watching me, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna keep going up, because this is top shelf shit, top shelf, you know, and I'm out of here. Check out this satin black joint before we get up out of here. I like the color of that. Yeah. So, thank y'all for tuning in, we out.